Hi there, so I was preparing for a wedding and I was like, but Fascinator can I wear with this dress? And I decided to design something. So do let me know what you think about this Fascinator. Did it go well with the dress? Does it look wedding compliant? Do let me know in the comment section below. So I'm going to be showing you today how I made this pretty, gorgeous Fascinator. But before we get into that, I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. So here are the items we'll be making use of. This is already your molded Fascinator base. And then we have this trees, artificial trees. Now they come in shining, and to ensure you keep the shine, you have to dip it in stiffener. So this has been dipped in stiffener, and where I bought it from it has stayed a while, so it lost some color, so I had to spray it again into black. I think I have a video of that. Do just remind me down in the comment section to send the video. Then this is your birdcage veil, and I'm using 9 inches. Alright, then you need your scissors to cut. Yep. Then that is our uhu gum, and these are some flower trimmings I know I have to use, so I got that. Then you have your needle and thread. So let's begin. So what we're going to do first of all is get our bed cage veil ready to be put on top of the Fascinator. So of course, as we always do, we're going to be gathering it. So what I'm doing, I'm just checking the smoothest part that will be on the face. The other part, I'm going to do some pleating and then I'm going to sew it. So keep watching and learning. So the next thing you want to do is get the part where you want your Fascinator veil to be. I wanted to cover my eyes a bit, so I'm putting it on the side. I want it to come from the side, so that's why I'm attaching it at that side there. And also those trees are going to come there to also hold it further and ensure it laps on the hat. So I'm going to be sewing it there, so you can keep on watching and learning. Okay, so let's get the trees now. So you see the trees, they have what they call it, they have iron rods that are holding them. So I'm still considering and thinking, what do we do? Okay, so I decided I think the best is to gather them like so. Before I wanted to put them one by one, but I was like, no, let's gather them. And since they have the iron rod at the tip, you're going to see what I'm going to do. So before we get into that, remember that if you want to be a member of this great channel, not a subscriber of course is just click the subscribe button, but to become a member, okay, we'll get back there. Just hold that thought while I tell you what I'm doing now. So what I'm doing, remember the rod that you have there, the wire that I said is connected to these trees, I'm using it to wrap the trees together. So instead of you using your thread, you just take one of the rods and then you wrap it like so. Then we're going to chop off the remaining part. So let me get back to what I was saying. So that's to be a subscriber, you click the subscribe button, and to be a member, you click the join button. Now a member, you get perks like you have emojis that you can use. You have a different color of stars depending on how long you've been a member of the channel, and it's just a way to support the channel. You just give to the channel a token to assist us to help make more lovely things for you. Nevertheless, whichever way, I will still keep on. No assistant or assistant, you keep getting lovely designs from me. Also, you need to consider joining the Ventcraft Academy. There you get to meet other millionaires like you, and that will also assist you. They do ask questions there. Sometimes I do drop freebies. Sometimes I do drop discounts in the Ventcraft Academy, so you could take the discount or you could pay in full and support the ministry. All right, let's get back to today's training. Now I would be dropping the links of all the items that we used in making this Mako Fascinator in the description of this video. So if you can't get it in your local store, you would have Amazon links, AliExpress links. Also, YouTube has given us a choice to be tagging the items on the video. I would also search for that and see how I can tag to make it easy for you to get all the products if you cannot find it in your local store. Okay, so with this, best to end it at the back. I've just tied it and cut it off. So the next thing, remember that you sewed it on top, so you're going to see rods and all that rough edges there. So I'm going to make use of this flower trimmings. I'm just going to cut one piece and I'm going to use my uhu gum to cover it up. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it there with the uhu gum, so I'll just let you watch and learn. Okay, now also we need to cover up all the sewings at the back so that underneath the fascinator it also looks pretty. So I'm going to allow you to keep watching and learning.